It is officially the second week of Spooktober. Let's go. Just as a reminder, if you don't want to watch these short videos, I do upload a compilation at the end of the week for all the nails that I did for that week. So if you want something to listen to while you do your nails that's longer, you can look forward to that later this week. But speaking of later this week, I really should start putting what day it is in my thumbnails because I can't keep track of time on a good day, so I don't really know why I thought I could keep track of these without writing it down somewhere. It's kind of like that Bob's Burgers quote when they're at the bank and they're trying to get a loan, and Bob goes, "What does past due even mean?" That's me every day. Also, if you ever want a nostalgia jump scare, go back and watch the first season of Bob's Burgers. It truly was the Wild West in entertainment back in 2011. Oh, that hurt to say out loud. Has it really been 14 or 15 years since it first aired? I can't do math, don't fact check me. Anyways, these nails are inspired by Ryan Rees' signature nails. He's a ghost hunter here on YouTube under the name Twin Paranormal. He shares a channel with his twin, River, and their ginger cryptid, Wyatt. Their fans are the Ghost Gang, and yes, I did just criticize them in my inherently problematic nature of ghost hunting video. It's okay to criticize your faves. They'll be okay, I promise. I started with a black base, which, dang, I need to do just some plain black nails because they're so elegant and timeless, but I cured the black base for a full 60 seconds because I accidentally went a bit heavy-handed, but luckily it cured all the way through and it wasn't a problem. But just for reference, when you have a very pigmented gel, thin coats are your best bet. Otherwise, the UV light can't penetrate past the first layer and it'll be raw dogging it underneath. And that's how you speedrunning losing your natural nail. After I laid down a thin layer of blooming gel, I take a milky white gel from Beetles and make a very short, chubby line or oval in the gel so that it spreads out the length of my nail instead of just in a circle to make a more ghostly aura effect. I keep going back and forth. I'm so wishy-washy on this. I don't think I like blooming gel. I've been using it for quite a bit and I just don't like how much bulk it adds to the nail, but I mean, it gets the job done, and I feel like more people have blooming gel than don't, and you know, an airbrush would be effortless and give the same effect with less bulk, but your boy doesn't have airbrush money, but he does have sponge money, and it's coming in the mail soon, along with a nail drill that actually is not from Melody Susie, by the way. I did not think that existed. I'm joking. Now I could stop here, but I want some contrast and texture because these are just a little bit plain for my taste. So I use a matte top coat and then roll out some clear balls with my solid builder gel that I got from Sequoia to form some, well, they are clear balls, but I like to think of them as water droplets because that's more fun. Actually, I think clear balls are more fun. Just more fun to say. Okay, so I love how balls look on the nail, especially when they're 3D and refract light. So I repeat this step and struggle to do this for all 5 nails. Top coat each drop with a glossy top coat, and that's the nail done. It's a very spooky and simple look that has a lot of personality. I can definitely see why Ryan likes it and seems to have it exclusively done on his nails. Post the pics, Ryan. Post them. I want to see. Anyways, like and subscribe if you're into that sort of thing. Have a good day or night, wherever you are, whenever you are, and I will see you in the next one.